Now, one thing that a lot of people don't understand is how bioload works. So bioload is basically the amount of biological waste that a fish, for example, will produce. So therefore you need a capacity to deal with that waste. So fish produce waste predominantly in the form of ammonia. Then what will happen is good bacteria will establish in your filter material to break the waste down from your fish. Now the media that you choose is a massive impact. So that particular media there is called Marine Pure. And Marine Pure is the best of the biological medias because of the parallel denitrification that it offers. And then here is some filterable or polyfilter. Hang on, let's see, there is filterable or polyfilter, and there is the Marine Pure. So the water goes through the polyfilter. The polyfilter will remove any particles out of the water. Then it will go through the Marine Pure, and the Marine Pure will biologically break down the waste from the fish. And so that's how the cycle actually works. And the main thing that the cycle is going to need is oxygen. So plenty of bubbles and so forth in the tank are very helpful. Having good surface agitation will help to keep your dissolved oxygen level and redox potential nice and high. Now the next thing you need to understand is that according to Eric Bornemann, who has done a lot of research in this field, if you have one fish that weighs 1 kilogram, it will produce 20 times the waste of 20 fish that collectively weigh 1 kilogram. So therefore, if you've got these fellas here in your tank and they're eating piss and shitting in your water, then they are going to produce way more waste than, for example, these smaller fellas. So it is not proportionate. Small fish, you can have disproportionately more fish. As far as volume is concerned, 20 times 20. So therefore, the big fellas require much more bioload. That means bigger filters, more oxygen, more water changes, more maintenance. These larger fish are not as biologically economical as their smaller counterparts. So just be prepared. If you want large fish, you need to do more servicing.